Hey guys, I'm Jerry from Broke Bastard Garage. This is my 1964 C10. Now, it has original engine, trans, rear end. A lot of it's been kept stock. I've just modified it every way I can to keep it as reasonable as possible, but make it totally custom. So, the engine, the 292, it's got intake, headers, custom exhaust that I did. It's got fuel injection, HEI distributor. So I've literally done everything I can to the original motor to make it reliable and put out as much power as I can out of it. Now, the truck wasn't patinaed like this, okay? When I first got it 6 years ago, it was metallic green. But we found 3 inches of Bondo in the roof and over 1/8 inch of Bondo on the whole truck. So what I did was I stripped it all out. This is the finished product. We hand shaped all the pieces in the roof, welded them in, got rid of the sunroof it had, and made the truck what it is. Now, my air ride is not a certain brand. I've used some of everything to build this air ride. But I'm running 2,500 pound bags all the way around to make it sit the way it does. Now the rear end, a lot of guys think that I've taken the rear end and I've put 4-link in it. I haven't. I'm still using the original trailing arms. This thing has a 42-inch C-notch in the back so that I could keep the original running gear, original geometry, and make it lay on the ground like it does. Let's take a look at the back. Now once I was done with that giant notch, I needed to raise the floor. Well, this reclaimed wood is actually from an old RV gate. I've taken the use of the hinges, the latches, everything I possibly could from that RV gate and put it into the truck. Now this old toolbox here was my wife's grandfather's. He gave it to me and I thought of a great use for it on the truck. If you open it up, remove it, you can get to the fuel cell without having to lift the bed. So this is a little trick I did so it's nice and easy to fill it. And you gotta love an old toolbox. I kept the interior pretty simple. I took out the fuel cell. This is still the original bench seat. The shifter's out of an old semi. I do have the original 4-speed transmission in this. I did put an aftermarket wheel just because the wheel was so big, I sized it down. I threw in some aftermarket gauges. I Frenched in a few gauges for the air ride. All the plates and everything you see on the ceiling are actually covering up the hole from the old sunroof. So, now the first thing everybody asks me about this truck is the rims. They're 22-inch GM Transports. I have done a McCarthy's disc brake conversion with a 2-inch drop spindle. Now, as you can see, the truck has a lot of character, a lot of little things on it, too much to talk about. But I can tell you this, everything on this truck, built by me in my garage at home. So, alright guys, well, hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one.